Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to submit time off in Gusto. First, sign into your Gusto employee account and then from your dashboard, open the time off section. Then select request time off and choose the type of leave you want to request, such as vacation or sick leave. Next, select the dates you want to take off. Then review the number of available hours or days if your employer tracks a time off balance. Then from there, add a note for your manager if necessary. Then tap Submit Request. Your manager or administrator will be notified and can approve or deny the request. Then you can return to the time off section anytime to check the status of your request. So that was how to submit time off in Gusto. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.